Hi, I'm Phyllis Lang and welcome to Nightwear. This video demonstrates importing and exporting local horizon models using Deep Sky Planner. You might want to do this to safeguard a horizon model once you've created it, or you might want to share it with another installation of Deep Sky Planner, perhaps one of your own or that of an observing partner that also uses Deep Sky Planner. Other aspects of creating and using horizon models are covered in other videos. First, let's export a local horizon model. To access this feature, click on the Location Manager button and open a location for editing, double-clicking AA Test. Now that we have a location open in the Location Editor, notice the horizon model area of the dialog box. Click Export to open a typical Windows Save File dialog box and select the folder and file name that you want to save your horizon model to. For this example, we'll use My Horizon, and the file extension should remain .horizon. Click Save to use this folder and file name. Here's a look at the Deep Sky Planner native output file format. It's simply XML, which is just text. As such, there's nothing special about moving it from computer to computer. Just copy it as you would any normal file. Back to the Location Editor now. You can look at the horizon model by clicking the Edit button. Here you can see a very simple representation of the model. You can see the tables of data points, and we can see a graphical depiction of the model itself. I've returned back to the Location Editor, and in order to demonstrate the import feature, I'll delete the horizon model currently attached to this location, and I'll use Import to restore it. To delete the horizon model, click Delete, and I click Yes to confirm the deletion. Note that Edit, Delete, and Export are all grayed out now. Since there's no model attached to this location, these functions aren't available. To import the file that we just exported, click Import and use the Input File browser button to choose the horizon file that I want to import. In this case, that's myhorizon.horizon. Click Open to read the file, and notice that the contents of the selected file are now shown in the Input File preview box. This is the raw content of the file. Since a Deep Sky Planner file was selected, we see the raw XML file in the file, which was what we expected to see. In the next step, we'll tell the import engine what type of file to process. This is the combo box drop-down that lists the formats supported by the import engine. Since the file myhorizon.horizon was created by Deep Sky Planner, we should select Deep Sky Planner as the format for the import file. The help file has further information about all the formats listed, but many programs use a comma or space-separated value format. You'll need to determine which format best describes your horizon file by reading the help document. Once the file format is selected, enter a descriptive name for your model. Most formats don't include space for a name, so you must specify one here. Only files created by Deep Sky Planner have model names in them, so I don't specifically need to enter a name because the name from the import file will be copied into the import process. Now that we have the import process defined fully, click Import. This processes the file and shows the results in the lower horizon model list and the upper horizon model list. The processed data is not saved yet. Please review the results in these list boxes and be sure the content looks reasonable. When you're happy with the results, click Save. To verify that the model was imported correctly, you can click the Edit button to review the model. This looks very much like the model we expected to see, so the import worked correctly. Let's go back to the Location Manager. And I want to make a final comment about keeping your horizon models safe. If you export and import locations using the Location Manager, the horizon model is included in the import-export process. Also, if you use backup and restore, your horizon model is included in the backup and in the restore. Those would be controlled when you check the locations segment of the data. That concludes this demonstration of importing and exporting a local horizon model. Thanks for watching.